Hello there, it's Nigby. This video is inspired by Parkinson Pickings' video recently. He did a video about how he gets his locks to be less camera shy, and I thought I'd show my method of it. I'll put a link in below to show his method, but this is mine. So one of the first things that I do when I've got a padlock that is or any sort of lock that's camera shy and doesn't want to get open, first off I get the lock comfortable, and then I get some more subdued lighting, and maybe something a bit more calming in the background, so maybe some whale song. So the padlock's in here, it's nestled up, it's all nice and calm. I'm just going to undo that a little bit just to show the padlock, and then what I've got is some calming, and we just give the padlock a little bit of a massage just to slow it down and relax. Okay, and just working our way up the spine there, always massage towards the heart. Okay, so that padlock should be feeling nice and relaxed now, and in that state what we can do is bring the vice in and very gently place it in the vice. Now, what you need to also do is make sure that you warm your pick up and your tension tool. Okay. And then very gently go in and test each pin. And there you go. That's my method for calming a padlock down that's been a bit camera shy. Hope that helps somebody else in the same situation.